Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Silent. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as ORBAI. I will share their giveaway too, how you can be able to be a part of their giveaway. I will show all that detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also that you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will review that. But you can see I share on my channel about those projects from where you can get 100x to 1000x, basically the potential of earning from your investment. You can see it is P2E gaming projects. You can see all that projects. So without wasting your time, I will come back to the project name as ORBAI. So here you can see it's a world first AI aggregator. You can be able to work on it even though you can buy their tokens, and you will get a 1 ORBAI from that, which is equal to $0.003. You can connect the wallet and you can buy that. I will share the details that how you can buy it. I will open that link and share it with you too. So you can see it here. ORBAI pulls in result from all the leading AI platforms and gives you the very best result within a second. Their white paper is given. I will share that with you too. You can be able to win 100k from here. Click to copy wallet address and you can get that. You can connect the wallet or buy directly using Sol address below, which is given here. So you can see it here. Their white paper is given. I will share that white paper here. So you can also be a part of the giveaway. I want to share with you about that giveaway here. You can see total entries are given, which is 3250, and days left, which are 191. So you have 191 days are left. You can be able to get $100k giveaway in ORBAI. You can see it here. They have 100k giveaway in dollars. You can see it here. Boost your chance to win $100k. Complete daily tasks and entries and stay active for more opportunities. Keep coming back every day to increase your odds of winning big. So you can see if you daily bullish comment on CoinMarketCap, you will get 225 per day entries, where you can be able to get, the more the entries will be, the more you will be able to get a giveaway. You can win the giveaway. So daily bonus entries 25, post on Twitter is 175, repost or RBAI, you can see on Twitter you will get 110. You will get follow 100 and join the Telegram 100. You can enter using Telegram, you will get 5, and from Twitter you can also get 5. In that way you can use these entries on a daily basis and you can get more chance to be a part of that and to be win that $100k giveaway from here. So here it is given about that how you can buy it. You can connect it with your wallet and you can enter the quantity, click to pay now. You can be able to buy it from USDC or USDT and you can get that. So now you can see here the white paper is given. I will give that to you. Can see Gemini, Google AI, Bard, DeepSeek and Grok. Their partners are given here, which is DeepSeek and Google AI. All you can see it here. So the most powerful AI results in the world, or BAI engines pulls in a big data from all leading AIs to produce one single proven result. ORBAI will be the Google of AI. You can get health, writing, documents, music, productivity, image creation, video production even though from it, and you can get many more from it too. So must go and check it all. The world first AI agent launchpad is given here. You can see they have JavaScript. You can copy that too. Automate AI tasks are given. ORBAI framework will allow anyone to create an AI agent. No programming skills required. Create your own AI agent or use their white table option. So they are giving much more. It is cost effective. They have no programming skill required in that, and it is just one day setup here. So you can create that kind of things in the launchpad area. So you can see it here. If I go further, the AI of AI, ORBAI will produce some of the most breathtaking imagery and videos. You can get light up to the world of AI. Their engine can be used in all aspects of nearly every industry in the world. So these are their main features I was sharing with you. Now I will go further to their roadmap. You can see they have the roadmap which is given here. Their level 1 is about the space, and level 2 is about the time, and level 3 is about the matter. So In level 1 of roadmap, they will go for the atomic space fusion, where they will go for conceptual planning, R&D, research and development, recruitment and partnership. In level 2, they will go for the cosmic physical energy, develop the engine, develop of D app, agent launchpad, DX partnership, second marketing drive. In level 3, they will go for the app development. For their master, the ORB is awakened. You can see their app development, their agent launchpad, CX partnership here. So now I will just go and share with you about the tokenomics. They have 20% pre-sale, 17.5% from the total supply will go for the staking and reward, 20% go for the marketing and 12.5% for the liquidity, 25% development, 5% team. You can see their details is given here. You can get all that from here too. So now I will share with you the further details about that, which is given here. And so you can see it here, the future of AI search and integration. So you can see it here that I have what to do say. You can see the Elon Musk, Sam and Andrew. You can see all that which is given here. You can read that too. So now I will just go for their FAQ. ORB AI is the most powerful AI in the world as it pulls in result from all the leading AIs like ChatGPT, Midjourney and Sora to produce the very best AI result from all user. It's the world first aggregator of AI data. Get involved in this project now. So whether you are a developer, investor or AI enthusiast, this project brings groundbreaking technology to the blockchain space. So you can see it here, there what is ORBAI. You can read that too from here. And you can see it is the basically Google AI in the future. So what is global? I share that with you, the launchpad. What else? ORBAI, and what is the pre-sale, and what will the token on the DX, and when will they go? They will go for the CX thing. It's already talking about that, and the work is going on. Word first AI agent. You can see the white paper here, so you can see it here. So now I share with you about the artificial intelligence by offering an advanced AI aggregator platform. Whether you are a developer, investor or AI enthusiast, this project brings groundbreaking technology on the blockchain space. So if I go further with you that how you can buy that, and here is there about the white paper. They welcome you on the that. You can see that they have one pager here. So pager which is given here, you can see it here, market abstract AI integrator, how to buy. You can buy it from here. I shared that with you that how you can buy it. You have to just connect your wallet. You can also buy tokens by sending Sol or ETH direct. Use Sol compatible wallet. Phantom wallet, load the Phantom wallet with Sol, choose send Sol and enter that, choose Sol amount, and we recommend one Sol. They recommend that. You can even though use it with the ETH too. So their tokenomics is given, which I share with you about the white paper or all that, the pre-sales, taking reward marketing on the website too. So you can see the white paper details is given, the introduction and all the details. You can read that details, the growth to AI marketing, their research, their thinking, their all that must go on that, and before your investment here too. So there the audits is given here, or RBAI will contracts audits are carried out by industry leading third party, and you can also join them on their Telegram too. It is a very good project, and you can join them on Telegram too, so that you can easily be able to be a part of their community. So all that I give you the disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purpose only. Cryptocurrency investments can risk, always do your research before making financial decisions. So yeah, I shared that details, and if you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.